So you started a blog for your client's business, but what comes next? Have you thought strategically about what types of content you're going to publish, or when or why? These are all essential pieces in creating a blog that audiences will deem credible, trustworthy, and something they'll want to return to again and again. Building a blog strategy is not only hugely valuable to your clients, but incredibly valuable for you as well. By building a blog strategy, you're essentially creating more opportunities for yourself to help them implement the strategy, and more opportunity means more money. Hi, my name is Ian Cleary and I'm the founder of Razor Social, and yes, you guessed it, I'm from the beautiful island of Ireland. I'm a content marketer with a love for technology, and I have the good fortune to have worked with a broad range of companies around the world, including the British Council, Black & Decker and Generali Insurance. I'm also an instructor of professional practice at Rutgers University and co-author of Digital Marketing Growth Hacks. I was recently listed as one of the top 50 content marketers in the world by Analytica, and in the third year of setting up my own blog, I was generating over 1 million visitors to the blog each year. So why am I telling you all this? Well, the success I achieved with my own blog did not happen by chance. It happened because I was very focused and strategic about the content I wrote, the influencers who I built relationships with, and the SEO optimization and promotion strategies I used to get my content seen by the right people. And of course, a good dose of hard work as well. Trust me, it is not easy, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. But the truth is that most people don't put in the work up front to come up with a strategy before they put pen to paper. They don't take the time to do the research to make sure what they are writing will not go to waste. If you create a strategy up front using the plan we outline, you'll find it much easier to get results. Well, how? Well, that's what you'll find out if you take this course. I will teach you my proven process and formula that I use day in and day out. I really want you to take this course, not only because it's awesome, but also because it will help you generate a lot more money on Fiverr. It's specifically designed for freelancers like you who want to build a blog strategy for their clients. Maybe you have some experience with blogging but want to upskill and also get a framework you can use for building the strategy. Well, this course is ideal as it is both strategic and also has a lot of practical information that will be helpful to you. There are so many benefits for completing this course, such as you will have the skills to build a content strategy for your client's blog, you will learn new tools and techniques to help you build a better strategy. You will have a selection of worksheets and templates which you can use for your clients, saving you a lot of time. And finally, you can show both potential and current clients that you're qualified in building a blog strategy, which will open you up to all sorts of other work related to blogging and content marketing. We cover loads of important topics in this course. So the starting point is doing the research to find out more about the client's goals, competition, and general market research. We'll then do the necessary keyword research to identify the most relevant keywords to target that we not only have a chance of ranking for, but that it also has the potential to drive your client good traffic. We'll then advise you on building out a content execution plan where you are setting up the editorial calendar and defining the process you or your client can follow to research and write the article right through to publishing it. An important part of the strategy is having goals, so we'll talk about how to set up and track these for your client. Then we'll be ready to create the content, and we'll focus on the importance of building out a good process for this. Creating content is time consuming and it could involve more than one person, so it's important to standardize the process. After content is created, it needs to be optimized for SEO and then promoted. Without a good promotion plan, good content will just sit on the shelf. SEO involves both on-page and off-page optimization, which is mainly link building, and both of these together can lead to great results. And finally, we'll talk about analyzing the content and optimizing the results. When the strategy is implemented, there's always improvements to be made, and analytics will help us identify those improvements. Now, I'm offering this course on Fiverr because I've been a customer of Fiverr and admirer for a long time, and I'm very passionate about helping freelancers just like you achieve more success. I believe there's a big opportunity for sellers like you to generate more revenue with this course. By taking these types of courses on Fiverr, you'll become much more marketable. Even if you don't do a blog strategy for a client, you're creating content, doing keyword research, etc., it will still be very valuable to say you've actually done this course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and you'll be very glad you did.